satanism thing in the dancehall. You better lock it up. You don't want it. Dancehall is not that. Dancehall is fun music. Dancehall is an expression type of music. Express the poverty where people are go through. See? The fool thing where the police them are do with them are kill you, or the politicians them, or them are treat with. And that is dancehall. If you not talk about the girls them, when you sing about the girls them, nice girl song, or the girls them look good, or the girl them can whine, yeah, and them things there, and them song there. See, you see them song there, them girl song there it. Bubble girl a bubble and them thing there. Man a girl, so you see them girl song there, them can't dead. And them girl song there, you for sing. If you not sing girl song. See? Yeah. And that me I'm telling you right now. So, before it's too late, when you still have time, change up on the thing artists. And that me I'm telling you right so. See? And that Ziggy say.